Open source software, OS, stands as a revolutionary force in the realm of technology, fundamentally altering the dynamics of software development, distribution, and utilization. Unlike its proprietary counterparts, open source software is distinguished by its collaborative, transparent, and community-driven nature. This video will delve into the multifaceted aspects that render open source software a powerful and influential paradigm in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. 1. Transparency and accountability. At the core of open source philosophy is transparency. The source code of open source software is freely accessible, fostering a sense of accountability among developers and users alike. This transparency encourages constant scrutiny, allowing developers worldwide to inspect, modify, and enhance the code. As a result, open source software benefits from a collective effort to identify vulnerabilities, ensuring a more secure and resilient software ecosystem. 2. Community collaboration. A defining characteristic of open source is its reliance on community collaboration. Thousands of developers, spanning diverse backgrounds and geographic locations, voluntarily contribute their skills to open source projects. This collaborative approach leads to faster development cycles, swift bug resolution, and a wealth of diverse perspectives. The communities that form around open source projects become crucibles of innovation, where ideas flow freely, creating a culture of continuous learning and improvement. 3. Cost efficiency and accessibility. Open source software significantly reduces costs for developers and end users alike. With freely available source code, developers can leverage existing codebases to expedite application development, saving time and resources. Organizations can deploy open source solutions without the financial burden of licensing fees, democratizing access to advanced technologies. This democratization empowers startups, small businesses, and resource-constrained entities to compete on an equitable playing field with industry giants. 4. Flexibility and customization. Open source software offers unparalleled flexibility and customization options. Users are not confined by the limitations imposed by proprietary solutions, allowing them to tailor software to meet their specific requirements. This adaptability proves invaluable in diverse industries where one-size-fits-all solutions fall short. Whether it involves tweaking features, integrating third-party tools, or modifying the user interface, open source software provides the freedom to shape technology according to individual needs. 5. Innovation acceleration. Open source software serves as a catalyst for innovation. The collaborative model encourages experimentation and the rapid adoption of emerging technologies. As developers collaboratively tackle challenges and push the boundaries of what's possible, the pace of innovation accelerates. Open source projects often serve as incubators for groundbreaking technologies, leading to the establishment of new standards and best practices that benefit the entire industry. 6. Global impact and social responsibility. The influence of open source extends beyond technology, embodying a philosophy of collaboration, inclusivity, and social responsibility. By making software freely available, open source initiatives contribute to bridging the digital divide and promoting access to technology across diverse socio-economic backgrounds. The ethos of sharing knowledge and empowering individuals aligns with the principles of a global community working towards common goals. 7. Security and trust. Contrary to misconceptions, open source software is renowned for its robust security. The transparent nature of the source code allows for constant scrutiny by a global community of developers, making it easier to identify and rectify vulnerabilities promptly. The collective effort invested in securing open source projects often results in more reliable and resilient software, building trust among users and enterprises alike. 8. Evolutionary development and longevity. Open source software benefits from an evolutionary development model that allows it to adapt and thrive over time. The collaborative nature of open source projects means that they don't rely solely on a single entity for maintenance and updates. As technology evolves, the community can collectively respond to changes, ensuring that open source software remains relevant and effective. This longevity is a stark contrast to some proprietary software that might become obsolete or unsupported over time. 9. Interoperability and standards. Open source software often adheres to open standards, promoting interoperability between different systems and platforms. This commitment to standards facilitates seamless integration with other technologies, fostering a more interconnected and interoperable digital ecosystem. This interoperability is crucial in a world where diverse technologies must work together cohesively to address complex challenges and meet the demands of a rapidly changing technological landscape. 10. Educational and skill development. Participation in open-source projects serves as a fertile ground for skill development and education. Developers, whether seasoned professionals or aspiring newcomers, can learn from real-world projects, collaborate with experienced peers, and gain hands-on experience in a supportive environment. The open-source community actively encourages mentorship and knowledge sharing, creating a virtuous cycle of skill development that benefits individuals and the broader tech community. 11. Cultural impact. Open-source software has not only shaped the technological landscape but has also influenced the broader culture of collaboration. The principles of openness, transparency, and community-driven development have permeated various industries and initiatives. This cultural impact extends to the way organizations approach collaboration, innovation, and even business models. Open source serves as a model for cooperative and inclusive practices that transcend the realm of software development. 12. Legal and ethical considerations. Open source software often comes with licenses that promote ethical and legal use. Licenses such as the GNU General Public License, GPL, ensure that the software remains free and open, preventing its incorporation into proprietary projects that may restrict user freedoms. The ethical considerations embedded in open-source licensing contribute to a culture that prioritizes user rights, freedom, and ethical use of technology. 13. Environmental sustainability. The collaborative and resource-sharing nature of open source contributes to environmental sustainability. By reducing redundant development efforts and promoting efficient resource utilization, open source aligns with principles of sustainability. Additionally, open source solutions often find innovative ways to optimize resource consumption, contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to technology. 14. Open source in emerging technologies. Open source has become a linchpin in the development of emerging technologies. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to blockchain and the Internet of Things, IoT, open-source solutions provide the foundation for innovation in these cutting-edge fields. The collaborative nature of open source accelerates the progress of emerging technologies, fostering a rapid evolution that benefits industries, researchers, and enthusiasts alike. 1.5. Government adoption and public services. Governments around the world are increasingly turning to open-source solutions for public services and administrative functions. The transparency, cost-effectiveness, and security offered by open source make it an attractive choice for government agencies. The adoption of open source in the public sector not only reduces costs but also promotes efficiency, flexibility, and a shared technological infrastructure. Application of open-source software. 1. Open source in healthcare. The healthcare sector has witnessed a surge in the use of open-source software to manage electronic health records, medical imaging, and research initiatives. The collaborative nature of open source facilitates the sharing of medical advancements, contributing to a global effort to improve healthcare outcomes. Open source in healthcare not only lowers costs but also fosters innovation in medical research and patient care. 2. Open source in education. Education systems globally are leveraging open-source software to enhance learning experiences. Open-source tools, applications, and learning platforms empower educators to create dynamic and interactive content. By embracing open source in education, institutions can provide students with cost-effective and accessible resources, promoting digital literacy and preparing the next generation for a technology-driven future. Addressing cybersecurity challenges. The collaborative nature of open source contributes significantly to addressing cybersecurity challenges. With a vast community scrutinizing code for vulnerabilities, open source projects can identify and patch security issues promptly. The transparency inherent in open source fosters a proactive approach to cybersecurity, empowering organizations to build and maintain more resilient digital infrastructures in the face of evolving threats. Looking ahead, the future of open source appears vibrant and promising. As technology continues to advance, the principles of collaboration and transparency embedded in open source will likely play an even more pivotal role. The integration of open source into emerging technologies, coupled with its adoption across diverse sectors, underscores its enduring relevance. Open source is poised to shape the next wave of technological innovation, bringing forth solutions that are not only technically robust but also socially responsible and sustainable. In the grand tapestry of the digital age, open-source software emerges not merely as a tool but as a dynamic and transformative force. Its impact extends across industries, technologies, and societal frameworks, embodying principles that transcend the confines of code. Open source stands as a testament to the potency of collaboration, transparency, and shared knowledge. As we navigate an increasingly complex and interconnected world, the principles and practices of open-source software provide a roadmap, guiding us toward a future where technology is not just powerful but also inclusive, ethical, and sustainable. Its influence extends far beyond lines of code, reaching into the very fabric of how we conceive, build, and interact with technology.